Hey guys, welcome back. So today's lesson is font changes. So let's get started. So many times wherein you are having some font and you want this it to be look in a much better way, what you need to do is you will have to select this font section. If you see over here, this font section basically relates to everything which you see over here. If you want to change, let's change the font. So what is the current font which of the current cell which you are seeing? You can always see over here. So current font is Calibri. Okay, by default Excel is having this font. Okay, and if you click on this button, you can see that default font for this cell is Arial, and this is the size of this font. So if you want to change any particular font, then you can just go to this section over here and just take your mouse on to the fonts over here, and you can see the changes towards the right side which you are seeing right now. So training in Excel or training on Excel, you want it to be something funny, then you can also select those fonts. So for the time being, I will just keep it as Georgia. Okay, and if you want to change the size, you can always select this size tab over here. So if you see, the changes are also reflecting in the cell, and based on your requirement you can always change this fonts. Okay, now if you want to make it bold, you just need to click on this button, or else you can just press Ctrl B shortcut, and if you press it again it will unbold. Similarly is the case for italic. If you press it twice, it will just revert the changes. Then if you want to underline it, you can just press this and you can underline it. If you want to create a border, you can just click this section. It will show you the current border. If you don't want any border, then you can click this and you can see there is no border. If you want any border, you can just click on this cell. Okay, so I will keep it bold for the time being, and if you want to change it for multiple cells, you need to select multiple cells this way, and then you can change the font, or let's say you want to make it bold. Okay, then let's say you want to make this also bold, then you need to select this section also, make it bold, make it italic, change the font size to, let's say, 10. Okay, now if you want to, if you see over here, uh, if you want to change the color over here, or you want to do make take some action over here, you can just right click, and if you, in case you right click, you can see the options which were available at the font are now also available over here. Okay, so if you want the accounting format, just click on this button. If you want this to be in yellow, if you want this to be in red, the font, then you can always select this button. Okay, these are some of the shortcuts which Excel provides. So if you want to remove the extra dots or extra decimals, that too you can, that too is available over here. So you can use this functionality as and when required. Okay, so the other way to do is you can just select this cells, right click and format cells. Now what you see over here is you just need to go to the font cell, and then you can select the cell you want, bold, italic, color. You can see the preview over here. Okay, you can keep it as normal text, and you can also change the color. If you want to strike, you can just click on this button and it will automatically create this strike also for you. I will just change the color over here and make it as red. Okay, so these are the different options. So let's say you want to create a superscript for H2O, or let's say you want to create a superscript for S2. Okay, so you need to select that part. If you see, again this format is coming over here. Right click it, click on format cell. You can always bring this option by pressing Ctrl 1. Okay, so press Ctrl 1 and this format cell font will pop up. Okay, so you want superscript for 2, so we'll just click this and we have superscript. Okay, so similarly if you want superscript for MC square, you can, oh, I have done the reverse way. Okay, superscript for this and then subscript for S2O. Okay, it can be either one of this, cannot be superscript and subscript both. Okay, so if you see over here, S2O. So these are different ways wherein you can format your cells. So you can always click on this option and you can check different format options also. So that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.